Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel for a brand new video. In my last video I showed off early stage of my AI agent, and that was you can also find it in the open source, and there's a description to where the open source is in the video description. Currently I haven't integrated this what I'm going to show you today into the open source, but give me some likes, comments, and I will do it as fast as possible and see that if there's a need I'll do it much faster to integrate it into the open source. So link to the repository is in the description. So what has changed from last week? So a little bit of navigation, so we have much more space for the chart, and I have integrated a new chart. I'm actually using the TradingView Light, which is a fantastic open source charting library. And let me show you what I have done with it. So let's dive in. I prompted it. So this is my agent. I prompted to create a chart for Google with indicator to buy or sell. So I want to know when to buy and when to sell, to see what the AI agent thinks about that. So it generated this chart for me and created all these indicators so that we can see here. We have here a moving average, a 50 moving average, is it a 20, and the mid, and a Bollinger Band, what I can see. So here it explains what it did here in the chart. So it created this integrate indicators for buy sell signals. So basically it told me like, yeah, Google is now would say like overbought. So then I said, okay, let's validate this indicator is correct, and which one would be to use, and which one would have made me money on this time. So he said Bollinger Band is would have made is profitable because if you can read it very fast, and EMA and 20 and 50 crossover would have been unprofitable or break even. The takeaway here, okay, Bollinger Band was correct tool to use because there's a high volatility and it's good to use it. Okay, anyways, I said, okay, find me then oversold stocks from the Magnificent Seven. This is all examples, and I just made up things here just to test and we'll see that it's all working. So we went through the Magnificent Seven and told me at the end that none of them are currently oversold. I said, okay, then please find me stocks that are oversold, that are with a market cap or exceeding 20 billion. So it did his research and it found Eli Lilly, which is severely oversold, and United Health Group, which is interesting. And it told us are trading in the middle upper ranges and criminal. Of course, I could have told them here, do more, show me more, and it suggested he would like me to pull a detailed chart for Eli Lilly, preview and trade it for it. Okay, let's move here to a different model so it will be a faster response. Please, we don't need to please here, but generate the chart for both stocks and a preview trade, and let's see what it does. So until it comes up, so this is the new integration. basically I gave it tools to do all the calculations. I gave the AI the tools to that it can do the calculations and generate very nice UI and actually the chart for us, which is what's really nice here. It's very flexible. You can ask it to do all kinds of things. We've looked 5 years back and any data that's inside the Schwab API. So it's free for whoever has it. This is an interesting circle here. Okay. And visual, okay, and it gives you insights, and and basically you can do what pretty much run and feel free how you want to use the agent. So again, place comments in the video and likes help me grow this channel a little bit. I would like to show you much more things that we can do. Give me ideas that what you'd like to have. I'll try to implement it. It's pretty easy to implement once you have AI. Actually, nowadays you can just take the open source repository and use your AI, a coding agent, and it should do the job for you pretty fast and nice and correct. Yeah, that's it for me today. Have a great day and good trade. Yeah, bye.